Welcome to the 21metrics wrap up this week with Hans Gartner, crypto investor here. Let's explore the markets and what has been going on within the past 7 days. But first, please check our partner SideShift.ai and its new Telegram trading bot. I will add the link to the show notes. But yeah, Hans, Trump recently launched his own meme coin. So what is this all about, and what is going on? Like, what is your perspective on it?
Mhm. First of all, thanks for having me again, Timo. Always glad to be here.
A pleasure.
So, on the Trump meme coin, imagine this: the president of the free world is literally pumping our bags. Bitcoin, Solana, everything is fucking happening, and it's just the beginning. We are not even a day into the presidency. The inauguration is going to be on the 20th. So, we are going to have 4 years of Trump pumping our bags. Isn't that a lovely start?
Yeah, that's that's like it's a big surprise for most of us. I think people were expecting this reserve announcement, and I think it's still on table for next Monday. But yeah, this is huge. And let's make a quick wrap up. So who is winning here? So obviously Trump is winning. Trump's government loves crypto, loves tech, AI, but if you think about protocols and platforms, I think like Solana is the big winner here, right? Because this uh, presidential meme coin was launched on Solana, not on Ethereum, for example. So is this like the this inflection point between Solana and Ethereum now, or how do you see it? Are we
I
like close?
think that the Trump team has demonstrated that they are willing to work with multiple different chains. So,
Yeah,
for example, the Trump NFTs were issued on Ethereum.
yeah,
And I know that the Trump team has been also talking with many other prominent blockchains, even XRP and other ones.
yeah,
So I think that they are looking at it from a more chain agnostic standpoint.
yeah,
But right now, obviously, Solana has shown a lot of strength and dominance in the meme coin sector.
yeah,
So it's a kind of no-brainer choice to choose Solana for this.
yeah,
But we can expect also the administration to be supporting, Bitcoin and other chains, whatever is profitable for them. But
yeah,
they are in it deep. They will push a lot of crypto.
yeah, yeah, for sure. So there's this like a paradigm shift happening where Ethereum is losing kind of its status, and Solana is the like replacement DeFi platform, and also like I think as we discussed before with you here, I think like Ethereum's success was partially based on Vitalik Buterin's like personal brand, and he has been more quiet recently. Of course, we don't see like Solana's leader being that public, anyways. But still, like there's this shift going on, and really like market is voting right now, and market is voting for Solana instead of Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum's performance last year, it has been weak, and it has been losing against Bitcoin, and basically like I guess like any crypto asset within the past 12 months. So yeah,
I think one of the best indicators to look at when you're looking at these alt layer ones is whichever chain is able to offer the best gambling markets, the best gambling experience. Back in the day, Ethereum was kind of the only one. You had the
yeah,
ICOs, you had, that kind of gambling. Now we've gotten this far where we are right now on Solana. We have the Solana meme coin meta, and all of the economic activity is just happening on Solana.
yeah,
And it's right now really difficult for another player to even swoop in and to try to take that market share.
yes,
Recently, one of the new metas that people have been talking about is Ripple meme coins. So that will be excited to keep an eye on because Ripple is also kind of a huge ecosystem.
Yeah,
and people will look to be an early adopter of these new things. So
yeah,
that's also something to keep an eye on,
yeah,
especially considering that Ripple is also US based. So maybe
yeah,
they might even catch more attention from the Trump team. Let's
yeah,
see.
yeah. So do you see them like favoring US based coins? As said, like XRP is one of these. So do you see it happening? There have been like rumors about it. So it could happen on Monday, but yeah, Monday will be a huge day. Trump's first day in power. And investors are pricing in the possible Bitcoin reserve and a lot of interesting things. Do you think there could still be like a sell the news effect? Or anticipations are high, so there could be some kind of like sell the news.
So,
If
firstly, on the Trump favoring US coins part, I
yeah,
think that the strategy is obvious: US first.
yeah,
And it's still really good for the rest of the world because essentially we are earlier in the crypto game, let's say. We
yeah,
are kind of already front running the market effect.
yeah,
Trump is going to bring crypto to the US mainstream audiences.
yeah,
So we will see a lot more adoption, a lot more kind of industry acceptance. So
yeah,
we will see large players committing even more. Like we have ETFs open, we have a lot of these gateways open for institutions to get in.
yeah,
So the gates are open, and we
yes,
are just kind of awaiting everything that's to come.
yeah.
And what was the second part?
That's like very well said that the floodgates are opening here for sure, but I think like if you look at this from more further away, like basically like Trump is for running the market with his meme coin. So like Monday is the real focus point, but
Oh
they're
yeah,
not.
is it the sell the news?
Yeah, it's a very good tactic basically to front run the event on Monday. So yeah, they're really playing this. Yeah, I was thinking about like, is there like a team? Obviously thinking about it like Trump recently nominated this AI and crypto czar David Sachs. So maybe there's like a larger team thinking about this meme coin launch, and it's a real like a paradigm shift, but it's timing is perfect, I would say. So it's yeah, while the anticipation is escalating, then you launch this your own coin, so it's very well executed, right?
It's a good play.
Perfect.
So is this a sell the news? The way I see it,
Yeah,
this is just one of the catalysts. So
yeah,
yes, Trump is coming into office. Maybe he will even announce a strategic reserve on day one. But regardless of what happens on day one,
yeah,
okay, maybe it's a sell the news, maybe it's not. But this is just one of the opportunities to buy in.
yeah,
So we will see large Trump crypto-based announcements coming in throughout the next few months for sure. Like
yeah,
they are betting on this horse big. I
yeah,
think that they are already happy with what they've accomplished. And honestly, I think that one of the things they must be really happy about was that when Trump made these pro Bitcoin announcements, they were actually able to reach a really large amount of voter base.
yeah,
A lot of voters may have voted for Trump purely because of his pro crypto position.
yes,
And I think that that's already something that he will definitely keep in mind and hopefully even reward his kind of loyal followers in a way.
yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah, through
So I
like
think that we are just in the beginning. I think that there will
yeah,
be many more crypto-based
like,
plays coming from the Trump camp.
yes, that's right. So yeah, this really like signals that Trump's government loves crypto, and they love this like power play, and they really like now embedding crypto as part of this like mainstream policy.
Exactly.
So
So
it's
we might see like a slight dip, but I wouldn't expect like a major sell-off. Like, okay, it's
yeah,
done. Like, nah, we
that's
are just at the beginning. This is
yeah,
just the beginning.
yeah. And if there's like sell off, it's as usual. It's difficult to time right. So if you're holding a lot of Bitcoin, I don't know if it makes sense to really sell your coins. Like try to sell them on Monday and try to time it right. And there's also like this angle that like there could be some surprises like today, like this Trump's own meme coins, that there could be more surprises on Monday, or they could go all into this reserve thing, and it could even like pump. So then you're like trading it, you're like on the wrong side of the table suddenly. So yeah, but I'm not planning to actually trade it. I think I'll just like hold my assets through it, and let's see what is happening. If it like dumps a bit, I think it will correct upwards again pretty soon. And in the mid and the long term horizons, I think yeah, this government is truly positive for the crypto, for digital assets. So yeah, it's of
Yeah.
course if
I'll
yeah, please.
Mhm. I'll kind of finish with my thesis that right now you kind of don't want to be selling off. Like right now you would be selling to, some institutions, some early adopters.
Yeah,
So right now we don't have a huge bid in yet.
yeah,
But what is happening? Over the next 1 year, 2 years, Trump is building like a huge ecosystem. He's getting in a lot of market confidence. He's getting a lot of institutions in.
yeah,
And when do you want to ideally exit? You want to have the liquidity from you're going to be selling to pension funds, you're going to be selling to like large like ETF liquidity. Like
yeah,
when this stuff really kicks in, there's going to be so much money that you don't even know what to do with. You will
yes,
just be like, how can I even sell all my coins? Like it's just not possible.
yeah, that's right, that's right. Okay, let's keep this quick today. So we can check the markets, what is going on. So this is a heat map from material indicators, and we can see now Bitcoin reaching towards new all-time highs. Nothing that surprising here related to Bitcoin. We can see some like well level buying here, which is obvious, and yeah, like markets anticipating the announcements on Monday. So yeah, we are really looking towards that. If you look at the funding rate, this funding rate chart, there isn't really like any over leverage yet. So funding rate is at the
Pretty
same
stable.
level as during the spring. So yeah, really like if think about this. There is a lot of room to grow
Mhm.
yeah, for before we reach over leveraged situation. So yeah, spot could easily go up, maybe to 150K or something like that, and still like the derivatives market is still pretty calm. And yeah, if you look at Bitcoin from this power law perspective, like power law fit is right now at 86.5K. So we are like 20% up from the power law fit. So yeah, this is like the main support, I would say. So if there will be a sell the news effect on Monday or early next week, it could maybe drop to something like, who knows, like 90K. But I think it's still quite unlikely.
I
Uh,
think that 86 or 90K seems like a pretty reasonable support level. Yeah. Like it just, first
yeah,
of all, makes sense. And we've seen the market kind of held that level
yeah,
already in the last like couple of weeks.
yes,
So I think it's definitely like a strong baseline support for
yeah.
now.
Yeah, so this pink line is really the main support, and obviously this year is going to go up. So I would say maybe 150K in the USD is a reasonable price target, maybe even more. But I think we'll have more surprises ahead because
I mean,
because
honestly, forget reasonable. We have Trump in the office. He is literally creating the national Bitcoin reserve.
yes,
We are not even a day into the presidency, and we are already at 100K.
Yes,
So we should not be thinking like 150. We should be thinking 100, 200, 300.
yes,
Legends.
yes. You're
The
right.
target is set.
I agree. Yeah, yeah. And I expect a lot of volatility this year to be added to the market. So a lot of things happening, and that also means it's pretty hard to time the trading right. So I'll just say, like, buy your high conviction assets, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Solana,
Maybe
and
Trump coin.
yeah, Trump coin, obviously. Yeah. Okay, Hans. Thanks for your thoughts, and as usual, like, it's a pleasure to have you here. So,
Mhm.
and also check our partner Quarn X. I will add the link to the show notes, and let's look forward to the Monday here with orange jacket and orange drink. So I'm already ready
Mhm.
to
Let's go
yeah, to Monday. So yeah,
to Monday.
let's pump Bitcoin and maybe
Let's go.
Trump. I don't know.
Let's see.
Thanks,
Let's
Hans.
see.
As usual,
Thanks so
thank you.
much, Timo. Pleasure as always.
Thank you, man. Thanks.